Now, if someone presses modular key along with the Q key, for modular key, the constant is k underscore modular underscore, and then you can write the name of the modular key like Alter, Shift, anyone you can use. So let's use Shift here, and let's change the name of this key as well. So if someone presses R key and Shift key, we are going to rotate the image now. And you can also set the angle, like how much you want to rotate image when someone presses the R and Shift key. So you can set the angle as well. Angle plus equal to 20 degrees. So by 20 degrees we will rotate the image, and then finally we are going to use the transformation, which is rotation plus zooming. Okay, so ROTO, row to zoom, we are going to use that, rotation to zoom. So image is equal to pygame dot transform dot row to zoom, and let's pass here picture, then angle which we have decided, which is 20, and scaling factor as well. Okay, you can also use any other key here. You can also write Q here, and instead of Shift you can also write Alter. So this is how you can handle the key down event, and when the key down event occurs, you have to check which key is pressed, and based on that you can decide on which key you want to perform event. So here if someone presses Q key along with the Alter key, then some kind of rotation will be performed. Okay, so when the Q key along with Alter key is pressed, then we are going to do, I think, clockwise rotation, and similarly anti-clockwise rotation for just Q key. Now let's write another event, which is for scaling purpose. For scaling, if someone presses, let's decide one character. So for rotation we have decided Q and Alter. For scaling we will use character T. So when someone presses key T, then the scaling will be performed. Now let's use it in a combination. If event dot mod and k mod is underscore, for example, Shift, then let's scale the image. It's a basically zoom in and zoom out we are doing. This is zooming image, scaling image. One is multiplication and another is division. And let's set the image, which is equal to pygame dot transform dot, and again pass the name of the picture, angle, and scaling factor. For example, after performing these rotation and scaling, if you want to get the original image, if you want to bring your image to the original shape, then you have to just set the original picture. So we will change the angle to 0, scaling to 1, and we will just replace the image img with the original variable, which is picture. Okay, so else if event dot key is equal to original, if someone presses O for original, Then we are going to set the original image, which is picture. Then scale is equal to 1 and angle is equal to 0. Now let's do some flipping. So we can perform horizontal and vertical flipping. For vertical flipping, we will use some numbers now. To flip a image horizontally, we will use number 0, and for vertical flipping, we will use number 1. Now let's flip image. Now you can use any key. Event.key is equal to k_0. Then let's flip the image. Image is equal to pygame dot transform dot flip. And here we just need to tweak the x and y boolean value. First you need to pass a surface. Then if you write true for x boolean, then it will flip the image horizontally. And similarly, I'm going to just copy paste this code. Copy. Paste. And instead of 0 key, I'm going to use 1 key. And here, just change the y boolean value to true for vertical flipping.